Hello, my name is Peggy Bradfield. I have a journalism degree from Brigham Young University and over 12 years experience in American schools, teaching kindergarten through 12th grade. Bicycle. 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 I see a bicycle. Good. I see a bicycle. Good job. Big M. Big M. Small m. Small m. Good. Mm. Mm. Mouse. Mouse. Good job. Mm. Mm. Mouse. Yes. Mouse. Draw a line. Good. Elephant. Elephant. Mm. Mm. Elephant. Mm. Elephant? No. Good job. Monkey. Monkey. Monkey? Mm. Monkey? Yes, good job. Draw a line. Yes, very good. Thank you. And that is how you do the slides for bicycle and the letter M sound. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. And if you want me to watch your video, I would love to do it. Thanks for adding me as your referral, and I can't wait to see you teach very soon. Bye-bye.